Hi Rashakran ji, how are you? I hope you must be fine. Actually, what I've heard that in DMK, suddenly this Prashant Kishore Pandey entry is causing some trouble to them. Well, it has to. We were lucky enough that we got rid of him. We threw him out of the party because we came to know his true colors. Actually, Mr. Prashant Kishore Pandey, or what do you say, PK, is nothing but a pure marketeer, a political pimp who keeps on selling his leader to other leaders. Like he sold Nitish Kumar to Mamata Banerjee, to Congress, to NCP, that we'll get Nitish Kumar in your fold, in UPA fold, and things like that. And on that, he kept on taking their accounts. Now, one thing is very clear. He always moves to the party where he gets the glimpse that this party is likely to come into the power. Likewise, he came to us in 2015 because he knew that Nitish Kumar, along with Lalu Yadav, with Mahagathbandhan, is likely to defeat BJP, so he joined us. But his role was very confined. He was only asked, since none of our party leaders were ready to go and negotiate with Lalu Yadav about the seat sharing, he was the only messenger whom we used to send to Laluji. Second most important thing that DMK must ponder and SCADA must ponder, that what is the reason that none of the other political parties are approaching Prashant Kishore for Bihar elections? Because they have all come to know that he's of no use actually. Because by social media management and data management, you can't win elections. For that you have to be connected to the people, and for that leadership matters. Most important thing about a party functionary is cadres, and this Prashant Kishore, he ensures that the leadership is moved away from the cadre. He will mesmerize the leader in such a manner that the leader will not listen to the cadre. Rather, he will try on experimenting things as proposed by him. That's what his strategy is. And in the end and in the long run, it dampens the morale of the party cadre and it hurts the party. Because these type of guys, that's why I call them coronavirus. Because the person they stick around with is bound to be doomed, and the person around him is bound to be infected. So the DMK must understand, and Stalin must understand, that he needs to get rid of this Prashant Kishore Pandey if he wants to perform well in the upcoming assembly elections. One thing more, and very interesting. Before moving to DMK, this guy hobnobbed with AIADMK too. And somehow he gathered the pulse that in absence of Amma Jayalalitha, AIADMK won't be able to carry that kind of an impulse. So he started playing with DMK. And in this, YSR was quite instrumental. In fact, YSR was quite instrumental in sending him to other people also. So he is a kind of marketeer that because of his own greed, he will get to the party. And he will play in such a manner that yes, I am making the government, I am doing this. But the fact of the matter is that he is no way responsible for any government formation or anything. Now since he is stuck, TMC has Mamata Banerjee cadre is already out and out against him. In Congress, in Uttar Pradesh, he was about to be beaten by 2-3 places. Captain Amrinder Singh showed him the door from Punjab that he doesn't require Prashant Kishore. So I don't understand why Stalin is stuck. So it's big time for DMK and Stalin to think about it.